What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to fix a rattle on the FL5 Civic Type R. For you guys that have this car and live in colder climates here in Kansas City, this little plastic trim right underneath the mirror, it rattles. As you can see, this little box right up in there, and there's 3 pieces to it. So we're gonna take this thing apart, we're gonna add sound deadening to it, and then we're gonna make the rattle go bye-bye. So, all right, stay tuned guys. Car's looking pretty good today. Gave it a wash the other day. It's looking super fancy. Here in like a week, I should be getting a front splitter in the mail. Okay, so it's this piece right here. There's a 1 piece, 2 piece, and then there's a 3rd piece on top. So let's get at this. Okay, first piece comes off pretty easy. Second piece. There we go. It wasn't too difficult. So we got those 2 pieces off. Now we're gonna go for this main part up here. There we go. Just like you're gonna want to do on the very edge there. There we go. So here's the 3 pieces. And we're gonna add sound deadening to basically all 3 of these pieces. Okay, here's what the first piece looks like. We're gonna add some sound deadening to that. Okay, as you can see, I've added a little bit now, and I'm gonna add a little bit to the sides here. It's good to wear gloves. I got all this stuff on Amazon. Pretty good stuff. All right, let's keep going. All right, here's the main piece. I have it on the sides. I think this will make a huge difference. All right, now we're gonna do the next 2 pieces, which is going to be this little piece right here, and then basically the other half of it. Okay, here's the second piece. Doesn't look pretty, but it's supposed to serve a purpose and keep the rattles from stopping. All right, next we're off to the last little piece right here. And man, I have quite a bit of this sound deadening material left. All right, we have all 3 pieces done. Now we're gonna go put this back in the car and probably even go take it for a test drive later, even though it's warming up. It's like 43 degrees out, so it might still rattle. Look at that new Alcantara boot. I got it looking pretty damn fresh if you ask me. All right, let's get the rest of this installed. Hope this won't be too difficult. Probably want to do reverse order, so we're going to do this big piece first. Let's see, looks like there's 2 major clips. Okay, that was pretty easy. Now, I think the one without the vent goes on last, or first. Okay, it looks like the this part right here, the vent, that goes in the front. So it's gonna kind of go like this. I guess that makes a lot more sense. Okay, I think I got it all back together. Now the question is, will it rattle? We will find out. I'm thinking the next video I'll probably make is a video about all the different things I've had done to the car so far. So probably one of the best as far as simplistic. If you run custom and you like running the comfort mode, is I really like how you can make over here there's usually like a dial, there's usually a visual for like what kind of music you're playing, and you're able to make that go away and make the dial a lot longer, and I think it just looks a lot more attractive. You can technically do that to the other side too, but I like seeing my gas mileage. You can see how on the right side the dial, the yellow tack, is a lot shorter. All right guys, thanks for watching. If you want more Civic Type R content, please give me a subscribe. You guys have a great day. Peace out.